Today I'm going to show you something amazing, something I've never seen, maybe you've seen, but I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show it to you right now.
MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to MoeTheDriver, ladies and gentlemen. So check it out. I was watching YouTube. Yeah, I was watching YouTube, and I saw another YouTuber that had some really cool valve covers for his 2J, for his GE. And originally I was going to take this part here and get some GTE valve covers and put it on and just put that on top of it and make it look cool. But something incredible has happened. I watched his video and there's some crazy stuff that I saw coming out of Texas. I messaged the guy and he actually went to the junkyard and got another set of valve covers, did them up, sent them to me, and guess what? They're here in the box. I haven't seen them yet. So, I mean, I did kind of see them in pictures when he sent, but they're still in the box. So let's get this box open, see what we're working with. First, I gotta take a drink of my non-sponsored Bud Light. Why do I drink Bud Light? Because I like it. I mean, yeah, kinda. So here's the box. It does say eBay on it, you know, but whatever. Came from Texas, and I'm gonna show you guys where I got this stuff on Instagram, so you can actually hit the guy up yourself if you want it. But let's get into this box, man. I'm really excited. I got my trusty scissors. I always got the scissors. Everyone says, why don't you get a knife? Well, why? I got scissors. They work pretty well. Let's see what we got here, folks. We got some papers, more papers. This little elbow that goes to the valve cover. So he gave me that. Boxes and boxes of paper. All right. Let's see what we're working with here. Very well packaged. Very well packaged. All right, see what we got here. Open it from this side. When I saw in the pictures, they look great. So I sure can't wait to see them in person. Wow, look at that big dog. Look at that. Look at what we got. Man, that's a bad boy right there. That's a bad boy. Let's see what else we got. Woo-wee! So much stuff on here. Man, that's a bad boy there. Look at these bad boys. Look at them. Look how fancy they are. So these are my GE valve covers that have been completely painted and hydro dipped. So I believe the white was paint and the black and the silver is hydro dip. And that crap looks amazing. Look at that. Look at the detail, man. Just look at it. Look at the detail on that. Just, that's nuts. That is incredible. It's a really good job. Look at that. Look at that, my friends. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think about these valve covers? These were actually made by a shop called Underground Tuning Texas. That is the name of the shop, Underground Tuning Texas. You can find them on IG. They don't have a website. They don't have anything crazy like that. They just have a one badass dude named Ethan that knows what he's doing. These are awesome. So if you want a set of these, they'll set you back. You know, I'll let Ethan give you a price, but they'll set you back not too much, couple dollars. But these are awesome, man. I mean, whew, man, wait till you get these on the truck. Wait till I get these on that damn motor, get them in the truck. Woo-wee. Fancy. Fancy right there, boys. So, what do you think? I mean, do you like them? I'm going to put them on the truck, and they're going to look freaking amazing. The truck's white, you know, so that's going to look awesome in the engine bay. The engine is just standard black, but then that's going to be on top of it with the coil bracket. Man, that's going to look cold. I might even have them do the coil bracket like that too. That's going to look amazing. So truck's coming together, man. I'm not going to show you guys exactly what's going on with the motor right now, but it's almost done. And we're gonna put that thing in the truck and get on down the road. There's a lot of other stuff to do too. Share these with somebody, man. Hey, make sure somebody else gets some of these too. You got buddies with 2Js, it doesn't matter. You know what? They don't even have to be 2Js. He can do any valve covers. He can do all kinds of parts. So make sure you share it, man. Let everybody know, hey man, get some of these stuff. Cause I mean, he can do anything you want. Get some. Holla.